Hey everyone, it's Lee here, the bartending photo boothing rental guy, and today I want to talk about my rental photo booths and the process that I go through to get them ready, and then getting them back and getting them the pictures to the client. So check it out. So Saturday morning, someone's coming to pick up a photo booth. I just plugged it in, and I'm just gonna fire it up quick. This is how easy it is to set it up for the next client. So make sure I got the right one to see if the remote's working. Okay, that's the one. And it instantly just pops into the booth. So all that I have to do is press new, and it will take the settings from the old booth. And now all I have to do, we have to install the update. We'll install the update and I'll be back. You know what? I'm just gonna show you while it's updating. So we're just gonna call this one Christina. Perfect. And there we go. It's done. It's all set up for Christina's event. That's how easy it is. What's up, guys? Sunday, was just having some dinner with the family, and it's always nice because I can just receive rentals from my customer drop-off. Excuse the mess in here because it's quite dirty. Everything's in disarray, but I can just go grab my photo booth from my bay. And password is... And there it is. So all I have to do is plug it in, upload the pictures for the client, and then we're good. Okay, so we'll just plug in the booth. And the client had trouble getting Wi-Fi hooked up. As that happens probably 1 out of 10 booths. They don't follow the sheet that I give them right, but it's on them if they don't call me for help or follow the sheets. So plus the booth ends up saving everything that all the pictures that are taken. So as soon as I hook up to Wi-Fi here, it'll just shoot the pictures out. So when a booth comes back, you can see there's grubby fingerprints all over the place. Good times. And it looks like they didn't shut the booth off properly. They just kind of unplug it. So it's clear that they didn't know what they were doing and they didn't follow instructions. But it doesn't hurt the booth at all. So we'll just start Windows normally. It'll automatically start up. And we'll see if everything's working. Booth is all dusty, and it's just booting up there. So that's the background that I have set just on the computer. Saskatoon, that's the city that's near us, where most people rent from. As soon as the booth turns on, it automatically is set to boot up the DSLR booth, and then it will go into the client's photo booth. So while it's booting up, it's already booted up. I'll just put the light on so that we can test it out really quick. So the light here.
Just undo that. Loosen this. Place it on top. So plug the
Power in. Looks like they turned up the power a little bit. We'll turn it down to 10. And we'll just try a test here. Touch the screen. Camera's hooked up fine. And we'll just let it take one picture. Okay, flash worked, camera worked. So we know everything's working. So we'll just stop the pictures there. So we know that the booth is still functioning. Now, they said the Wi-Fi wasn't working. So I'll just, I'll flip it around. So we'll just check on the Wi-Fi there. We'll click in. Wi-Fi seems connected here, so it's obviously an issue with their Wi-Fi. So we'll just press settings. Once you press in the settings, you'll notice that there was 42 uploads that haven't been sent yet. So it will slowly send those. There was 30 SMS that haven't been sent and 1 email that haven't been sent. So those will slowly start going down as now the booth is connected, and it will start sending those out. So the clients will all be happy to see their text messages that they were sending on a booth that wasn't hooked up to Wi-Fi to their phones now, a day later. So there is something called Photo Share that automatically uploads the photos that are sent through text message and email to the clients where they can get an album. But I like to take things one step further and just upload all the photos from the booth to Google Drive. So I just log on to Firefox or the browser that's on the computer. I log on to Google Drive and then I just upload them. Then I send the client the link so that they can have all the pictures, all the high quality originals, as well as the ones that it sends with 4 pictures on it. So I'm just gonna do that quick. So right there, we'll just click into Google Drive, and then on this specific Google Drive account, we've only got one other booth from before, so we're just going to upload the new one and go new, and then folder upload is what I meant to do. And then this is kind of how DSLR Booth saves things, so we can go into originals. We're in July 25th. We need to go back to the pictures, DSLR Booth, and then this one was the Smith wedding. So we'll just highlight Smith wedding and then press upload. And now you'll see down here, it's gonna start the upload. So there was 771 files in the Smith wedding, so those will just upload. What I'll do is I'll get the link for them, the Smith wedding right there, where you can tap on it, and you can save the link and then send it to the client. So that's it, pretty easy stuff. Setting a photo booth up for a customer and receiving a photo booth afterwards. So that's my process that goes on with my booths for my digital rental photo booths that the client picks up and runs themselves. Well, that's the lowdown on my rental photo booth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be making more photo booth videos as I can. So make sure and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel.